In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently sort your Smartsheet by date. Whether you're tracking deadlines, managing projects, or simply organizing important events, learning how to sort your Smartsheet by date can help you keep everything in chronological order and boost your productivity. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by accessing your Smartsheet and locating the specific sheet you wish to sort. Once you have your sheet open, take a look at the headers running across the top of your columns. Here, you'll find the one designed for dates. It's typically labeled with something self-explanatory, like date or deadline. When you've found the date column header you intend to sort, go ahead and right-click it. Right-clicking on the header is a simple action, but it's your gateway into sorting your data efficiently. Once you right-click, a context menu will appear, presenting you various options relevant to that column. Among the options displayed, you'll see Sort Rows. Selecting Sort Rows is the next crucial step in this process. Doing this will allow you to define how you'd like the information under your selected date column to be organized. It puts you in control of the flow of data, ensuring everything is neatly ordered just as you prefer. Now, you have the choice between sorting in ascending or descending order. If you choose ascending order, the dates will be arranged from the earliest to the latest. This is particularly helpful when you're planning ahead and want to see your earliest deadlines or events first. It gives you a clear overview of what's coming up next, helping you to prioritize effectively. On the other hand, if you decide on descending order, the dates will be lined up from the latest to the earliest. This might be useful when you need to review recent activities or focus on more immediate deadlines that have just passed. Opting for descending order offers a clear line of sight on what's already happened, or perhaps what needs immediate attention if you're working backward from a specific endpoint. By sorting your Smartsheet by date, you create a more structured and intuitive way to visualize your tasks, deadlines, or events. This simple yet powerful technique can make a significant difference in how you manage your time and resources, contributing to a more organized and efficient working environment. So there you have it. Hopefully this has given you a clear understanding of how to sort your Smartsheet by date, ensuring your information is both accessible and efficiently organized. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to apply these steps whenever you need to streamline your data organization on Smartsheet.